As events unfold across the nation, religious leaders and top officials of the Armed Forces of the Philippines are urging unity, peace, and steadfast loyalty to the Constitution. And with tensions running high, they remind Filipinos to keep a level head and stay the course in defending truth and stability. Our Patrick De Jesus tells us more.
Kasama po natin ang Panginoong Diyos sa araw na ito at sa mga susunod na araw.
As the three-day rally against corruption begins, other religious groups under the Philippine Council for Evangelical Churches also offered prayers on Sunday at Camp Aguinaldo. Members of the Armed Forces of the Philippines joined the gathering, led by AFP Chief of Staff General Romeo Browner Jr. They prayed for the unity of Filipinos and for truth to prevail amid the issues affecting the country today. Browner also reiterated the sacred oath of every soldier to remain non-partisan and loyal to the Constitution.
Naniniwala po ako na ang Armed Forces of the Philippines ay isang world-class armed forces. Palakpakan nga po natin. Disiplinado, matapat sa konstitusyon at sa bandila ng ating lupang hinirang.
To solidify this, various AFP branches released statements calling for the peaceful conduct of rallies. According to Philippine Army Commanding General Lieutenant General Antonio Navarrete, they oppose any unconstitutional actions that may affect national security and public order. Philippine Navy Flag Officer in Command Vice Admiral Jose Maria Ambrosio Espeleta reminded the public to be cautious in verifying information being circulated to help maintain peace. Philippine Air Force Commanding General Lieutenant General Arthur Cordura also assured that they remain focused on their duty to the nation, anchored on loyalty to the Constitution and respect for the chain of command. Patrick De Jesus from the National TV Network for a New and Better Philippines.